Hello and welcome to Excel-Templates.com. This is Steve Equals True. Please visit my blog at Excel-Templates.com where you're sure to learn the latest posts, tips, tricks, and techniques and learn everything about Excel. All right, today I'm answering another question from a fan out there, and the fan had looked at a blog post where I showed you how to use this custom number format here to, instead of showing 10 million all the way down to very small numbers, what you can do is you can use this custom number format to show 10M for 10 million, 9M. When you get into the hundred thousands, it will show 100K, 10K, those sorts of things. But the specific question that the user wanted was, what if I wanted to add a different symbol than the dollar sign? You notice that I've got a dollar sign here in this custom number format. I've got a dollar there, and a dollar there. So they wanted to know, what if I use a different symbol? I don't understand how to get that in there. So I wanted to show you how to do that. Also, you can find more out about this in the show notes, so make sure you go ahead and check that out if you don't understand how it's working. First off, what we want to do is, let's go ahead and do an Indian rupee. Now, to do that, what you want to do is click in any blank cell that you have, go up to your Insert ribbon. From your Insert ribbon, you want to go all the way to the far right. So over here on the far right of Insert, you see Symbol is a choice. You can go ahead and click on Insert Symbol, and you will now see this dialog box. So what this dialog box shows is its symbols, and if you select normal text, there is a choice here in subset called currency symbols. And lo and behold, we do have an Indian rupee here symbol that we can now insert into our chart. So if you click on it and click Insert, you will notice it, you won't see it here, but you'll see it up in the formula bar. It's been inserted. There's other ones in here as well that you can see, Japanese yen, all sorts of different choices, but we'll talk about doing some special symbols here in a second as well. So now that we've inserted that, we can come back over to our, oh, looks like it went away. Let me just insert that again. Insert, there we go. Now we can see it there. We can click on Close. What you want to do is, after inserting it into a cell, you can come up into your formula bar, you can edit it from within the field. Just go ahead and highlight that and do Control-C to copy. Go over to the custom number format that you have, and then delete the dollar sign and insert the Indian rupee. And let's do it there, and then our final spot there. And hit enter. So now we've got it out in our spreadsheet. Then what I want to do is I can just copy this custom number format, highlighting the whole range, hit Control-C, click on your chart, click on the vertical axis of the numbers that you want to change for the custom number format, do Control-1, and you will get this format access dialog box. If you scroll down in the bottom of the axis options, you will have a number. You can click on custom number format here. And in the custom number format, we want to delete this existing code that exists in the format code and do a Control-V to paste. Click on Add, and look at that. We now have 10 million rupee, 9 million, all the way down. If it's smaller amounts, like let's change some of these to 10,000 or 20,000. And still, some of these are just too large. Let's just convert all of them down to about 20,000. And then we'll change one of them to 200,000 and one of them to 2 million. So you can see over here on the left-hand side, we have 500,000 with a K, 1 million with an M. And so that's some interesting ways that you can insert different symbols. Now, if we go back over and look at the symbol dialog box, there are so many special characters and choices. You'll find them in each and every one of these different fonts. Go check out the Wingding fonts. Let's go to Wingdings 3. And as we scroll throughout here, you're going to see all sorts of different symbols that you can insert and use in custom number formats. Check out Wingdings 2. Here's some hand signals, some numbers like billiard balls, check marks, time clocks, all sorts of different things that you can do. Now, if you want, you can also go out to the web, and you might find some special things that you have a hard time finding in here. Perhaps these are symbols. So all of these symbols that you see here are called alt codes. And there's new alt codes being released on a lot of basis, and you may not have the alt code within for this snowflake here within your set of fonts. Now, so if you can't find it, you can typically find the alt codes, so that's ALT codes, out on the web. And you can just copy them straight from a website and it will work. Let's go ahead and show you some of the interesting ones that I found. So we have the same chart over here set up, and you'll notice that we've got Celsius, we've got Fahrenheit, we've got some different skulls and crossbones, some snowflakes, telephones, chess pieces, musical notes, the peace symbol. So if you do find these alt codes out there, what you can do is, like we just did, let's go ahead and do let's do a keyboard, the scorecard one. I've got it copied and pasted into my spreadsheet. I could have copied it from a website, but if I just highlight it and do Control-C, go into my custom number format and replace the dollar symbols or whatever I want to do. It doesn't have to necessarily be the dollar symbols. Anything that you're doing for a custom number format, you can just copy and paste those different alt codes in there, and then you can highlight your custom number format. Let's go ahead and highlight it here. Do Control-C. I'm going to go in, and one other trick that you can do is you don't have to do it within your chart. If you do it out here in your data, it will flow directly into your chart. So I've highlighted the entire range of data. I'm going to go to my home ribbon, going to click on the number format and choose more number formats. And in here we have custom. Over here on the left, you can select custom, and then up in this type area, delete what's there, do Control-V to paste. So we did Control-C to copy and Control-V to paste. You can see our sample is going to be this keyboard 2M. And that's how we set up our custom number format. We click on OK, and you'll notice not only does it carry within our data table that we may show within Excel, it also updates what you see in the vertical axis over in the left. Hopefully you found this tip fun and exciting, and maybe you can use it to insert some different international monetary symbols or other things of your choice using the alt codes and different fonts within the symbol section. Once again, this is Steve Equals True from ExcelDashboardTemplates.com. Please head on over there for some other great tips, tricks, and tutorials. Also, please subscribe to my video channel so you're sure to get the next post delivered directly to your inbox. Thank you.